Okay, let's look at this rational function that we're going to antidifferentiate, and this is a prime case for partial fraction decomposition, which we always start with factoring our denominator, which is already factored. So we're going to take our fraction, 1 over x times x plus 1 squared. That's a repeated linear factor, so we're going to split it up. A over x plus b over x plus 1 plus c over x plus 1 squared. And we're going to solve for a, b, and c by getting rid of that denominator. So get rid of x plus 1, or multiply everything by x times x plus 1 squared. Cancels completely on the left. The x cancels for the a term. So we're left with a times x plus 1 squared. Plus one of the x plus 1 cancels, so bx times x plus 1. And both x plus 1 squared cancel with the c, and we're left with cx. Now we like to plug in values for x to solve for our a, b, and c. And we like to do them where they zero out some of them. So if we start with -1, so if I say x is equal to -1, the left stays 1, equals, that becomes 0. The next one becomes 0, and this is minus cx. C. X is my -1. So minus c. So this tells me c is equal to -1. Okay, let's try x equals 0. That's going to zero out the c term and the b term, and we're left with 1 is equal to a times 1 squared, or just a. So a is equal to 1. Now, we don't have a way to zero out to find b, but we can plug in any value for x, and we know now a and c. So if I say, let's say x is equal to 2. Well, the left stays 1, this equals, so a we already know is 1, so we don't have to write a, and we put in 2 plus 1 squared, plus b times 2 plus 1, which is 3. C is -1, so minus c times 2, or minus 2. So we have 1 equals, that's 3 squared, 9, minus 2 plus 6b. That's 7. If I move the 7 over, I get minus 6 equals 6b. So b is also equal to -1. Nice. Okay, so let's see, this becomes the integral of 1 over x minus 1 over x plus 1 minus 1 over x plus 1 squared dx. And that's pretty straightforward. The first one is going to be the natural log of the absolute value of x minus the natural log of the absolute value of x plus 1. And this one right here becomes plus 1 over x plus 1. You do a little u sub on x plus 1, and you get minus u to the -1, so it cancels out that minus. Plus c. Good stuff.